In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see notes in Canva when presenting. If you're preparing for a presentation, you know how crucial it is to have everything in order, and having your notes easily accessible can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly view your notes while presenting in Canva. First, let's start by opening up your Canva account. Make sure you're logged in and navigate to the home page. From here, find your way to the Projects area. This is where all your saved designs are stored, making it easy to locate the presentation you're going to work with. Scroll through your designs or use the search bar if you know the title of your presentation, and open it up. Once you have your presentation open, you're going to need to find the Notes section. If you haven't already added your notes, it's quite simple to do. Look at the bottom of the presentation editor. You'll notice a section labeled Notes right below each slide. Click on this area, and it will expand, allowing you to type in your notes. These can be reminders, talking points, or any content you find helpful to mention during your presentation. With your notes all set up, it's time to move on to presenting. At the top of your screen, you'll find a button labeled Present. Click this button to enter presentation mode. Canva offers different presentation styles, and if you want to view your notes, you'll want to choose Present with Notes. This feature creates a special view that allows you to see your notes on one screen while your audience sees the slides on another. Now, let's talk about setting this up efficiently. You will need two screens or a projector in conjunction with your laptop. Ensure that your display settings are configured for dual monitors, meaning one screen will display to the audience and the other will show your presenter view. Once you're in the presenter mode with notes, your notes will appear alongside each of your slides, so you can reference them as you navigate through your presentation. It's also helpful to practice this setup before your actual presentation to ensure everything is connected and working properly. Double-check that your notes are visible and readable on your screen. This eliminates any last-minute technological hiccups and boosts your confidence, knowing you are well prepared. In conclusion, being able to see your notes while presenting in Canva is a game changer. Not only does it make your presentation flow more smoothly, but it also helps keep you on track and ensures that you cover all your key points effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting!